Some people has been asking me ano nga bang ginagamit ko for my curly hair. One, para maalagaan yung curly hair ko, I use products that are paraben-free and also sulfate-free. So I have a different video on that kung ano yung shampoo and conditioner na ginagamit ko. And two, after conditioner and shampooing, ano naman yung nilalagay ko sa hair ko para mas mag-last yung curl and definition ng curls ko. And alam nyo na, hawak ko. So I'm using the Curl Define Essence by Lux Organic. Ito yung favorite product ko. If nakikita nyo, nakadalawang bottle na ako. Ubos na kasi to, so I've purchased a new one. And this is my go-to whenever I want my curl to stay longer than usual. I've also tried using the leave-on conditioner and the gel, pero hindi siya hiyang sa akin. But with this, only this product, no need for you to add gel, only with this product, nadidefine yung curl ko and mas naglalast siya longer. So if you also have curly hair like me, ililink ko na lang sa baba yung saan nyo still maa-avail.